Yes, so I'm very, very sorry, guys, that I made you guys believe I was having the best of my relationship. Like, I was really enjoying my relationship. I wasn't. I lied. Sorry about that. But I think there's some things that need a lot of clarifications. And this actually goes to the bloggers. Please. Why are you calling her my wife?
ẹ̀yin tèmi wàhálà míì tuntun ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ayé Nkechi Blessing bí ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Ọ̀pẹ́yẹmí bí ó ṣe já sílẹ̀ sí kòlòbò. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arákùnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní òun ò tí ì ṣe ìgbéyàwó pẹ̀lú Nkechi Blessing, òun ò dẹ̀ tí ì fi Nkechi Blessing hàn ìdílé nǹkankan àbí mọ̀lẹ́bí nǹkankan o. Ó tún fi pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ wípé kí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ẹnikẹ́ni má ṣe pè ní ìyàwó mọ́. Arákùnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
I never insulted anyone, but I was only talking about you guys calling her my wife. We've never been married. I never married her. And if now she's claiming she was my wife, could you please tell her to bring out any marriage certificate or any form of attachment or togetherness, apart from the pictures? I've never been married to her. Never, not for once. I never got married to her. Number two, she never met any of my family members. I never took her home to meet my family members. Probably, yeah, she has met my friends. Some of them even supported me, with her during any of our programs, birthday, burial ceremony or whatever. The burial, our mom's burial. But she never met my family members. I never took her home to meet my parents because I knew it wouldn't be a good idea. It wouldn't be the right thing to do. I was taking my time. Why? Because, as a man, there's some certain things we all know what we want. And the presence of knowing what you want some certain things to be done correctly. So guys, like I was saying, number one, I never got married to her. Number two, I never took her to any member of my families because there's no reason I wouldn't have done that. I wouldn't even risk that because I wasn't convinced enough to do that. But sorry guys, if she actually played that role and make you guys believe we're married. So sorry about that, guys. A lot of things were said in which I believe were just ways to defame me, but I don't really care about that. I don't really care about it. I think she would do anything for social media. She said I was always on social media. Anybody on mine who is a friend or is a mutual friend of mine will probably say I hardly come on social media, only on weekends. Why? Because I have a normal giveaway I do for my fans on Saturdays and Sunday. So I know she had a problem with me and with people coming closer to me, because most of the time after the giveaway and all that, she keep wondering why the girls were calling me daddy. Why are they calling you daddy? Oh, they want you. Why is that girl laughing like that? I can't help it. I'm a politician. I'm the man of the people. I'm only out there to add value to the people within my own capacity. I remember at a time there was a lady called Mona Lisa. She's an actress as well. She did a video for ODF Foundation. And I had to show her the video. Like, okay, Mona Lisa did this. And I knew what she did immediately. She went, she DM'd Mona Lisa, the actress, and started insulting her. Oh, leave my husband, leave this, leave that. And I was wondering myself, husband. So now this is how you be chasing people away from me. And that was even part of the reason why I said to myself,